Working with a complex CAD assembly consisting of multiple subassemblies and part instances can make measurement process setup very challenging. Simple tasks like hiding or ignoring a CAD component are arduous and time-consuming due to the large number of objects displayed in Inspector's tree view. PolyWorks Inspector 2025 lets you obtain the complete assembly structure and hierarchy when importing CAD assembly files. The assembly tree provides an organized structure for efficient navigation and identification of critical components in both your assembly and subassembly. Further, the clearly defined hierarchy paired with Inspector's easy-to-use tools makes visualizing and managing components quick and easy. These enhancements facilitate an efficient workflow for your measurement process setup and review. Additionally, you can easily reuse a subassembly of larger assembly files already imported in PolyWorks Inspector to create new inspection projects without having to re-import the CAD file and start from scratch. Simplify your measurement process with efficient CAD assembly management. Download PolyWorks Inspector 2025 now and try it out.